Good morning everybody, welcome back. And if you are new to the channel, this part of this building is going to become our, well, I was going to say chicken shack. I've been calling it a chicken shack, but a couple of people suggested it's going to be more like a chicken palace or a palais de poulet. Anyway, the roof was falling in and rotten and all that sort of stuff, so I've dismantled all that. I've dismantled all the structures inside, as you can see, and so it's just a question of clearing it up. A lot of these, they're not really going to be used for anything other than burning, really. I might be able to make a structure or two in there for the chickens, but yeah, a lot of this that you see is going to be burnt. We'll keep this ladder, keep this behind me because the chickens can roost on it, but the rest of it, really, it's rotten as anything, really. Those nesting boxes that I showed you in the last video, I'm going to see if I can just save a small section and put it on the wall as a little nod to the history, and they can still use those, but most of that structure dividing the two rooms was rotten. It was just sawdust in a lot of places. Anyway, without further ado, I'll get clearing up, because I need to empty the inside. I need to have a look at the floor. I don't even know what floor's in there. I suspect it's all stone floor, but I don't know because it's full of years of leaves. So, right, clear up.
Let's go and see what Rolls is doing. I'm just heading to the old chicken coop, and this is all the stuff that he's taken out. Hello.
All right.
You've been busy?
Yeah, I've cleared. There's about 4 inches of soil and leaves and debris here. I've cleared it all, but unfortunately, it's revealed a very poor floor.
What is it? Just concrete?
Just concrete. It's about not even 2 inches thick.
That's
There's
a shame.
no reinforcement. It's all breaking up.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, it's all got to come out.
Oh.
Which isn't.
Not ideal.
No, not ideal. But the good news is I don't need the concrete breaker on it. It's just breaking up.
At least it can all go in the pit.
Yeah. There you go. See.
Lots to go in there.
Oh, sorry, Lexi. Yeah, it's just. So.
Not great.
Not great. We'll have to dig down about 4 inches. Get some sand down. Get some reinforcement rebar.
Yeah.
And then it's all got to be cemented, I'm afraid. There you go.
I won't come in because the sun will be in the camera.
Yeah. It's getting a bit hot actually.
I might try and get in the other side. I know there's a lot of debris in there.
Okay.
I'll have a look. Okay, so this is the other side. There's 2 doors. I think they had doves in this side, and there's Rolls there. There's a half wall here, brick wall, which we'll keep, and we'll put a frame up with chicken wire on, so it makes it more light and airy. So this side will be for the quails and doves, and we'll need to put a window in or something so they can go into a run outside. So, Marshall, you might remember this feeder that you bought us a couple of years ago. It was supposed to be for chickens, but the picture didn't really show the true size. For water, not feeder.
That'll do for the quails.
Yes.
Well, that was one of our very, very first contributions on buying a coffee from Michelle, actually.
So
2 years ago now.
So I need a big feeder and a big water butt for them. And we have actually got some feeders that were left here. So these may have been for chicks actually, or quails. Yeah. Because it's not very big. There's that one and the longer one.
Yeah. So might as well use them.
Yeah.
But we've got to get a roof on first.
Yeah, that's true. So we've got half this roof to come off still.
Yeah, I'm going to do this part first.
You can see how rotten
and then
it is.
I'll work my way along.
Yeah. And it's hot today. It's going to get up to 37 by late afternoon.
Yeah.
So it was supposed to be 39, but it's still blimmin' hot.
Yeah. Anyway, I'm going to carry on until I can't, because the sun on half of it's in the shade. So
Yeah,
I'm gonna
okay.
carry on and do it.
Okay. Well, we've retired to the back garden under our umbrella. This
cool
gives a
around the
nice
back,
bit
yeah.
of shade, and the hazelnuts have started dropping
Oh,
already. Loads more.
yeah. Okay. Well, that's another job.
So we'd just like to say thank you for the coffees this week
Thank you.
and for purchasing our merchandise.
Yeah, had a couple of those this week, so thank you. Thank you very much.
Yeah,
All proceeds go towards this place, so thank you.
and
Should we go in?
yeah, it's too warm. The dogs are panting. So
Yeah, let's go. So we're going to love you and leave you, and see you next time.
bye.
Bye.